Hi everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today, I'll walk you through how to write a motivation letter for the Fulbright Scholarship. This formal letter explains why you are a great fit for the scholarship, outlining your academic background, professional goals, and commitment to cultural exchange. You will begin your letter by including your personal details at the top. Start with your full name, address, email, and phone number. Make sure to include the date on which you're writing the letter. After that, address the Fulbright Scholarship Selection Committee, followed by the name of the university or institution you're applying to and their address. The subject line should clearly state Motivation Letter for Fulbright Scholarship. Lastly, start your letter with a formal greeting, Dear Selection Committee, to show respect and professionalism. I am writing to express my keen interest in the Fulbright Scholarship as it represents an opportunity to pursue my academic and professional aspirations in your field of study. With a strong passion for your field, I have dedicated my academic journey to exploring specific research interests or career goals, which aligns with the Fulbright program's mission of fostering cross-cultural exchange and academic excellence. Through this scholarship, I aim to further my knowledge in specific area and contribute to the advancement of, mention how your studies will benefit your home country or field. My background in your academic professional experience has equipped me with the necessary skills to thrive in a challenging academic environment. I have actively engaged in research, community service, leadership roles, etc., that demonstrate my commitment to both academic and social impact. By being a Fulbright Scholar, I plan to collaborate with experts, broaden my global perspective, and bring back valuable insights to contribute towards mentioned specific goals for your country community. I am confident that my dedication, adaptability, and vision make me a strong candidate for this prestigious opportunity. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to the possibility of contributing to the Fulbright community and making a meaningful impact through my studies. Sincerely, your name. Here's our sample motivation letter for the Fulbright Scholarship. You'll notice how it clearly highlights your academic background, your professional goals, and your commitment to cultural exchange. It also includes essential details about your personal achievements, relevant extracurricular activities, and how the Fulbright program aligns with your academic and career aspirations. By following this format step by step, you can create a strong and compelling motivation letter that effectively showcases your suitability for the scholarship. This letter helps the selection committee understand your passion, your goals, and why you're a great fit for the Fulbright program. And with that, I end this video. If you found this writing guide helpful, like it and subscribe for more tips on crafting impactful motivation letters.